Welcome everyone to my voyage of world of music. I am presenting this journey in the form of weekly podcast from my world of music. It was on Radha Saptami day 2 days back. I was singing Surya Murte for my mother for her puja. She felt very happy to listen to Surya Murte Namostute Sundara Chaya Dipate Surya Murte Namostute Sundara Chaya Dipate Surya Murte. Then I immediately thought I should start a podcast on radiance of any raga. Then it struck to me Surya Murte in Raga Saurashtra will be perfect match for the podcast which I can share with all of you. Surya Murte by Muthuswami Dikshitar.